Not at all. Because you're too cute.
Oh.
Yeah. I go for like the red hair. Because mine's blue.
Is it because I'm balding?
No. But I just thought, I have this wedding planned February 14th. Is that a special day around here for anyone?
Not for me.
500 people. Can you make arrangements?
Of course.
500 people, and it'll be in my backyard. Excuse me. You have to ask.
Really?
Yes.
But it's my birthday today.
No, you have to ask.
Oh, okay.
What do you want to ask?
Nothing, actually. Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
that was nice. Thank you very
That,
much.
you almost just made my day.
But anyway, this wedding, I have 500 people planned to come, and it's in my backyard. What can you do for me?
Anything you want.
Because I haven't been married before, have you?
No, never.
Well, how did you get this job? How
I
do you
get-
know what you're doing?
I actually begged for it.
You guys have to beg to be employed here, Mike?
Shelly, I begged. Terry knows too.
Is it a special day for you today?
Actually, it's just another normal day.
Would it start with the letter B?
Like the Thursday?
Birthday?
Oh, it is my birthday today.
And did you turn 16 yet?
No. 35 today.
Oh, look at this man. Is he not handsome? Maybe I should reconsider my marriage.
Maybe you should.
Are you rich? Can you jump on the trampoline?
No.
Can you get a big butt?
I already have one of those.
Well, you know, sometimes if you just like do this little, I looks and go, oh, this is, oh, it feels so much better. Because, you know, I've had like 5 hot fudge Sundays. I'm a little nervous about my wedding. And look what happened when I woke up this morning. You just can't have 5 hot fudge Sundays in one night.
You know, some guys like that, so.
My man. He's the man. He'll be happy. But it's a little tough to get my wedding dress on.
That, you know what you're wearing is pretty fabulous. But, I would wear that
This is
for
it.
your wedding.
And do you think I should go from Miss Socks to Mrs. Socks?
Those are like some Punky Brewster socks you're wearing right
They're
there.
nice, aren't they?
Yeah, I
They're
like
very
those.
nice. Thank you very much.
Lifesaver colors, I like that.
Yes, yes. Well, you know, what's a clown without her circus? So I brought my circus with me. And at a circus, you have circus. We're working on it again. Oh, he's smart. I know why you hired him. He is one smart man. We worked with Dee. That was a little difficult for you. But
Bird?
birthday.
Oh.
Birthday. Remember, was it too long ago? You're getting older. Do you forget things?
I've been forgetting things since I was little, so.
Oh.
You can ask my mom.
But she said that you tell jokes.
Actually.
Yes, and that you and you.
Yes.
Okay. But what about jokes?
I'm making the jokes.
No, but you have this like sound. Does anyone know how?
Is that what you wanted to hear?
Is that how you yell it?
Almost.
So let's quickly get up to that. Come on,
I can't pipe that loud.
come on.
Everybody here has heard these things before, so it's pretty bad.
So do you begin your joke with that voice again, or do you begin your joke with oh?
You have to end it.
And what's the point?
Just make fun of people.
Oh, you would make fun of me when I leave. I'm pretty special.
I'm pretty good at just making fun of people to their faces.
Oh, okay, I can do that. So A is for animals that we animals out. First we bring out bread. You like bread? Special. That bread?
It's kind of dirty.
You call my animal dirty. You can't come to my house. My house is dirty too.
I wouldn't like
So
that.
gotta keep it. Oh, this is good. You guys around here. I might have to reevaluate that marriage thing. He is a frog.
could be dinner actually.
Oh, you are smart. Are we really gonna let him have a birthday today? Are we really gonna let him have a birthday? Okay, and then we'll bring out Rocky, because Rocky. Kisses. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna tune my pipes. You guys ready for the pipe tuning? Yeah. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. There you go. Happy birthday to you. Should we do another version? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noble. You're not peeking at this pretty bottom, are you? Seriously, you know? All right, I'll squat like a lady. Oh. You have to be delicate in my old age. Oh, I'm only 17. Ooh, you're 16. I like that. Would you hold my bag, please? Be careful, there's bugs and things like that. So, it'll just be a little bit. And, red, how nice is that? And we're gonna make a happy birthday. It will protect you from birthday spirits, because we're gonna call it that. Right?
I might need one.
Birthday spirits. Do you know who might have asked me to come and play with today?
Hello?
Anyone? Anyone gonna fess up? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, there's, oh, that's gonna be nice. That's just gonna be so nice. Well, no, but what are you gonna do on your special day today? Go home and eat birthday cake and ice cream and have a bottom line pie? No? Got a hot date? Oh, that's sad. Well, what are you going to do? Tell me about your life. I'm interested.
Just work, you know,
Work? Really?
play some golf.
Some golf?
That's all.
Wherever? Seriously? What do you use? Do you use baseball bats or what?
Sometimes.
When you're angry.
I don't get angry.
Oh, you're so lovely. I'm going to marry you.
Okay. Can't wait.
I know.
Are you rich?
With golf.
That's all I
And
need.
balloons.
That's all I need.
And circus animals.
Hey, I'm already falling in love.
Oh. Let's take a picture. Very pretty. Well, happy birthday,
Well,
my
thank you so
handsome
much.
man.
I really appreciate you coming in here.
Have a good one. Hang in
I will.
there. All right, I'll be back next year.
Oh, my God.